Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the screen recorder sound settings on Redmi 14C. Swipe down from the top of your screen, then swipe down again and find screen recorder. In my case it's here. Press and hold on it. Then to change sound source, click on sound source and you can set it to mute, mic or system sounds. Then go back to your home screen, and now to start a screen recording, swipe down from the top of your screen twice and then find screen recorder again, click on it, then click on this red button and it will start recording. Then if you want to stop recording, click on this floating button, then click on pause. And now it's stopped. You can click on X and the recording has been saved to your gallery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.